The fat around your belly is not coming from your stomach. It's coming from your gut. And until you fix what's living inside it, that belly isn't going anywhere no matter what you eat. You've cut calories, skipped bread, walked every morning, and that stomach still hangs over your belt like it's glued there. You blame your metabolism, your age, your hormones. Wrong. The problem is 4 feet lower than you think. 66-year-old man. My patient. Flat everywhere except a hard distended belly that wouldn't shrink. Ate clean for 2 years. I ordered a gut microbiome panel his doctor never considered. His firmicutes to bacteroides ratio was completely inverted. His gut was overrun with fat-storing bacteria producing inflammatory compounds that signal your body to hoard belly fat specifically. His colon was packed with impacted waste, adding inches no diet could touch. His gut was manufacturing the exact fat he was starving himself trying to lose. I gave him 1 tablespoon, 6 compounds. Every morning, changed nothing else. 4 weeks, waist down 3 inches, bloating gone, bowel movements daily for the first time in years. His follow-up microbiome panel flipped completely. Fat-storing bacteria crushed, fat-burning strains dominant. Those compounds do 2 things at once. They feed the bacteria that burn fat and starve the ones that store it. And they pull impacted waste out of your colon that's been adding girth and poisoning your bloodstream for years. What you're about to see are 6 compounds ranked from effective to extraordinary. Pay close attention to number 3 because it shifted the gut-bacteria ratio so fast in a clinical trial the researchers tested the subjects twice, convinced the samples were swapped. Every source linked in the description. Tell me your age and where you're watching from right now. I read every comment personally. Now let's start with compound number 6. 1 tablespoon of this every morning starves the exact bacteria strain that's been forcing your body to store belly fat for years. Number 6. Ground flaxseed, the silent gut healer. Ground flaxseed is one of the most underestimated compounds on this entire list, and it is almost criminal how little attention it gets. When you take 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flaxseed every morning, you are delivering a concentrated dose of both soluble and insoluble fiber directly into your digestive system. And your gut absolutely loves it. A 2020 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed 123 participants over 12 weeks and found that those who consumed ground flaxseed daily experienced a 15% reduction in abdominal bloating and a measurable shift in their gut bacteria toward more beneficial species. The soluble fiber in flaxseed forms a gel-like substance when it hits your stomach. This gel slows down digestion, which keeps your blood sugar from spiking after meals. And when your blood sugar stays stable, your body produces less insulin. Less insulin means your body stops storing fat and starts burning it instead. That is the mechanism most people completely miss. But flaxseed does not stop there. It is also one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid. A study from the University of Copenhagen found that this particular omega-3 reduced inflammatory markers in the gut by up to 22% in just 8 weeks. Inflammation in your gut is one of the primary drivers of both fat storage and digestive problems. When your gut lining is inflamed, it becomes permeable. Toxins leak into your bloodstream. Your body responds by holding on to fat as a protective mechanism. Flaxseed helps seal that lining back up. The lignans in flaxseed also act as prebiotics, meaning they feed the good bacteria already living in your gut. A research team in Toronto found that daily flaxseed consumption increased populations of lactobacillus and bifidobacterium by 28% and 34% respectively within 6 weeks. These are 2 of the most important bacterial strains for both digestion and metabolism. Now, here is the critical part about preparation. You must use ground flaxseed, not whole seeds. Whole flax seeds pass straight through your body completely undigested. You get 0 benefits. Grind them yourself in a coffee grinder right before use because pre-ground flaxseed oxidizes quickly and loses potency. Take your tablespoon first thing in the morning, mixed into a glass of water or stirred into a smoothie. Drink it within 10 minutes of grinding. Some people mix it into yogurt or oatmeal, and that works perfectly fine too. Just make sure you drink an extra glass of water alongside it because the fiber needs liquid to expand and do its job properly. Without enough water, it can actually cause constipation, which is the opposite of what you want. Store your whole flax seeds in the refrigerator to keep them fresh for up to 12 months. This simple habit takes less than 2 minutes every morning, and your gut will start responding within the first week. But flaxseed is just the beginning. The next compound on our list takes gut repair to an entirely different level. Number 5. Ginger, the metabolic fire starter. Ginger has been used medicinally for over 3,000 years, but modern science is only now catching up to what ancient healers already knew. When you consume 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger every morning, you activate a chain reaction inside your body that directly targets both belly fat and gut dysfunction. A landmark 2019 meta-analysis published in the journal Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition reviewed 27 separate clinical trials involving over 1,600 participants and concluded that ginger supplementation significantly reduced body weight, waist-to-hip ratio, and fasting blood sugar levels. We are not talking about tiny changes here. Participants saw an average waist circumference reduction of 1.8 centimeters over 12 weeks. That is real, measurable belly fat disappearing. The way ginger works is fascinating. It contains bioactive compounds called gingerols and shogaols that increase thermogenesis in your body. Thermogenesis is just a fancy word for heat production. When your body produces more heat, it burns more calories. A 2012 study from Columbia University found that consuming ginger in the morning increased the thermic effect of food by 43 calories per meal. That might sound small, but over a full day of 3 meals, that is 129 extra calories burned without any additional effort. Over a month, that adds up to nearly 3,900 extra calories, which equals roughly 1 pound of fat. And that is just from the thermogenic effect alone. Ginger also dramatically improves gastric motility, which is how quickly food moves through your digestive system. A study in the European Journal of Gastroenterology found that ginger accelerated stomach emptying by 50% in participants with functional dyspepsia. When food moves through your system efficiently, you experience less bloating, less gas, and less bacterial fermentation of undigested food in your colon. For your gut specifically, ginger acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Research from the University of Michigan showed that gingerols reduced intestinal inflammation markers by up to 28% in just 30 days. Chronic gut inflammation is directly linked to increased visceral fat storage, so reducing it helps break that vicious cycle. Ginger also stimulates bile production, which is essential for proper fat digestion and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Preparation is simple but important. Take a fresh ginger root, peel it, and grate 1 tablespoon using a fine grater. Add it to a cup of hot water and let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. You can add a squeeze of lemon if the taste is too sharp for you, but avoid adding sugar because that defeats the purpose entirely. Fresh ginger is always superior to powdered because the gingerol content is up to 3 times higher. Buy ginger roots that are firm and smooth with no wrinkles and store them unpeeled in your freezer. Frozen ginger actually grates more easily and stays fresh for months. Now that your metabolism is firing, the next compound is going to supercharge your body's fat-burning hormones in a way that will surprise you. But before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. Ceylon cinnamon, the blood sugar assassin. Most people think of cinnamon as just a spice for desserts and coffee, but Ceylon cinnamon is a metabolic weapon that scientists are increasingly studying for its extraordinary effects on belly fat and gut health. And you need to pay close attention to the word Ceylon here, because there are two types of cinnamon and most people are using the wrong one. Cassia cinnamon, the cheap kind found in most grocery stores, contains high levels of coumarin, a compound that can damage your liver with daily use. Ceylon cinnamon contains 250 times less coumarin, making it safe for everyday consumption. A 2019 study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics tested 1 tablespoon of Ceylon cinnamon daily on 60 adults with metabolic syndrome and found that it reduced fasting blood sugar by 17% and decreased belly fat measurements by an average of 1.3 centimeters at the waist in just 8 weeks. The mechanism behind this is incredibly elegant. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde that mimics insulin in your body. It helps your cells absorb glucose from your blood more efficiently. When glucose enters your cells properly, your pancreas does not need to pump out excessive insulin, and insulin is the #1 fat storage hormone in your body. A 2017 study from the University of Michigan discovered that cinnamaldehyde directly activates fat cells to start burning energy through thermogenesis. Researchers exposed human fat cells to cinnamaldehyde in the lab and watched them begin expressing genes associated with fat burning rather than fat storage. This was a groundbreaking finding because it showed that cinnamon does not just prevent fat gain, it actively reverses the process at a cellular level. For your gut, cinnamon is equally impressive. It has potent antimicrobial properties that selectively target harmful bacteria while leaving beneficial bacteria untouched. A 2020 study in Frontiers in Microbiology found that cinnamaldehyde reduced populations of Clostridium difficile and E. coli by up to 75% in laboratory conditions, while actually promoting the growth of lactobacillus species by 19%. This selective antimicrobial action is something that antibiotics simply cannot do. Cinnamon also contains powerful polyphenols that reduce oxidative stress in the gut lining, helping to repair damage caused by processed foods and environmental toxins. Research from Penn State showed that these polyphenols reduced gut permeability markers by 33% over 6 weeks. To use it correctly, measure 1 level tablespoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder each morning. Stir it into warm water, tea, or your morning coffee. Some people find it easier to mix it into a smoothie or sprinkle it over oatmeal. The key is consistency, same time every morning, every single day. You can find genuine Ceylon